Pepe Le Pew's kitchen. What is for dinner, senor?
We're going to make the gorgonzola sauce.
I'm ready to watch.
Are you going to chop some garlic?
Who likes to watch it?
There you go.
To watch the
Appropriate safety glasses are required when chopping the onion. I saw. Couple onions.
Very nice.
I don't like this chopping block compared to my other chopping block. But that is how we mince the garlic.
Mom, you must have
Okay, this is like his own kitchen cooking show. We have people watching. What? Is that official mashing technique?
Yeah,
I thought you were chopping.
I was.
There you go.
That looks more like a nervous disorder rather than a chopping technique.
Can somebody give me a
It's a
drink,
little of
please?
both.
Chef, do you have any drinks?
Do I have any drinks? Man, aren't you a little young to be sitting at the bar asking me for a drink?
Well, now you're selling.
A little bit, a little bit.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh my god. Okay, and in case anybody's wondering for our background music, it's the penguins that just never stop. Oh, wait, not the penguins, they're stealing the cheese! They're stealing the cheese! Okay. So what's going on over here? What are the penguins doing?
Going upstairs.
Adrian, show the shark attack part.
Shark attack?
Yeah.
Shark.
Oh, wait, there's a...
Shark. Penguin.
Oh, let me see, wait. The penguins eat the sharks? We have our own Nat Geo show going. Where's the shark?
Where's the shark, Adrian?
Do the shark.
Show him.
Oh, that's a nice shark.
Oh,
Chomp.
chomp, 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 chomp.
Here's more crayons, Richie.
Bandage.
Oh, you took your safety glasses off.
I did.
This is where the real danger begins.
Yeah.
What are you
Oh,
videotaping?
be careful how you slice the sausage.
I don't know. It's still uncooked.
I'm gonna come by.
Still uncooked.
Yeah, I should feel